Eurofighter Typhoon, Europe's multirole fighter jet, designed for air superiority with a focus on speed and maneuverability. Its aerodynamically unstable airframe, combined with a delta wing and forward canards, provides exceptional control and close-range combat. Powered by two EJ200 engines, it features Supercruise capability, allowing sustained supersonic flight without the use of afterburners. It can engage multiple air and ground targets simultaneously. The Typhoon is not a fifth-generation fighter, but it remains one of the most dangerous operational fighter jets in the world. Eurofighter Typhoon. Power, speed, and European engineering.